All right, guys, welcome back. It's Mr. A, and this is day 2 warm up for Chapter 10. We're still working on circles. So here we go. Hope you guys are doing well and you guys enjoy listening to my beautiful voice. But here we go. So, first thing in the warm up, some of the stuff I do want you guys to find on your own, but I am going to talk about just a few things just so you guys kind of have an idea. I'm just going to kind of skip around. But let's start over here. So this is circle Z with tangent line AB. Okay? So circle Z is just a circle with a little Z in the middle. Nice and cute. Okay? And remember, tangent lines are the lines that touch a circle one time. So for that to happen, it kind of just grazes off the side, and it could look something like this. Okay? Where it's going to touch a circle at one point. So again, it doesn't matter how you name it. It could be either A or B. We'll call it A, and then B just can be somewhere else, and that'd be perfect. Okay? So again, you have a tangent line just only touches one time, versus separately a secant line is going to touch twice. That's going to go through the circle. So those are the two different things. Okay, this you guys could totally do on your own. Just make sure you guys understand what a chord is, and we'll go from there. Okay, a little down lower, number 2. You got a circle A, and it's asking you to find the radius, diameter, circumference, and area of a circle. So most of that you guys should be totally good to find, especially radius and diameter. But for circumference, something to remember is that this is like the perimeter of a circle. And the formula for that is 2 times pi times r. Okay, that's going to be the circumference. Okay, and remember, keep pi as pi. You don't have to put that as a number in the calculator. Leave it as pi. So in this case, if you guys calculated this, it would be 2 times pi times 4, so 8 pi. But I'll leave that to you guys to do. And then the area of a circle, that's a separate formula. That is pi r squared. Okay, pi r squared. So that is going to be the area formula. So similar idea, you guys could look back at the notes from day 1 to kind of go over that, but you could use that formula to find your area. And that's pretty much it. But just again, keep it in terms of pi. Okay? Gorgeous. Next up, given circle X and it has a circumference of 10 pi, find the radius and find the area. Something to remember is that obviously we're finding the radius here, right? But we also need to find the area. But to have the area, you need the radius. So this is kind of a loaded question. You need part A to get part B. But something to think about is that the circumference, okay, perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r. That's always what that is. And it's saying the circumference is 10 pi. Okay, so there's your equation. You're setting the circumference equal to 10 pi. If you just think basic terms of math, we can divide away pi. You get 2 of the radius is 10, so the radius is 5. Okay, and then you could use that homie to kind of fill in some other stuff down below, and then life is good. Okay, so you guys got that. Also, I know you guys missed this. I missed this. I haven't shaven in a while, and this is definitely what I look like right now. So enjoy the unibrow smiley face. Gorgeous. Okay. Beautiful. All right, down below. This is some stuff that's actually pretty sweet. We're talking about what fraction of the circle is shaded. So we're actually going to be using this in a little bit on some future stuff that has to do with our next couple days. But it says what fraction of the circle is shaded. So something to think here is that every circle is 360 degrees every single time. So you know that I'm giving you a certain degree of shading of the full circle. So all of these are going to be out of 360 because that's my total, 360 degrees in a circle. But we have to just say, okay, like, well, what degree do we have out of the total? Sorry, I just burped. Okay. In this case, this would be 90 out of 360. Okay. And then you could simplify and say, well, hey, that's about 1/4 of a circle. Well, it is 1/4. And you solved it. So you can continue that on here, and that would be pretty beautiful to do. And there's that. Okay, so welcome. That was the end of the warm-up. I hope you guys enjoy. I think it was really fun and cute. Come back for another video that will be on the notes. Peace, homies.